All right, welcome back. So now we're going to do a checkpoint. So go ahead and sketch the graph of this cosecant function using what we did in the last video. I'm going to do this one. So pause and then come back and see if you got the same answer. All right, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is, this is the reciprocal for sine, so I'm going to graph the sine function. So let's do that first. So I'm going to, well actually, hold on a second before I do that. Let's do this. Okay, so again, the period is going to be 2 pi. Where the period is 2 pi, so where is this going to start and begin? So this is going to be x equals negative pi over 2 to x equals 3 pi over 2. Okay, so let's sketch this graph. And okay, and so now I'm going to put some tick marks here. So let's do pi over 2 pi like so. Okay, so I've got my tick marks going up every pi over 2. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my 5 points. So again, it's a period of 2 pi. I'm just going to start with negative pi over 2, and I'm going to go up by, divide by 2 pi by 4. That means every pi over 2, I'm going to have another point. So I'm going to start at negative pi over 2. And so a negative pi over 2, it's a sine function, so it's going to be at 0. Okay? So pi over 2 is going to start at 0, and then it's going to go to 0, and at 0 it's going to go up to its maximum, which in this case is going to be 1, but we're multiplying it by 2, so the maximum is going to be 2. And then at pi over 2, it's going to go back down to 0, right? And then at pi, it's going to go down to negative 2. And then finally, at 3 pi over 2, it's going to come back to 0, where it started. And so now I'm going to plot these points. So I'm going to start here, and then it's going to go to 2, and then it's going to go to 0, negative 2, 0. I'm going to keep going. Okay. Okay, now, so again, I'm going to just put my dotted line. Okay. And now, what's going to happen here? So I'm going to look at all of the, where it intersects. Okay, where the graph intersects is going to be where there's an asymptote for cosecant. So there's going to be one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. And now notice at the maximum points, that's where it's going to intersect, the sine function is going to intersect with the cosecant function. And so knowing what we know about the behavior, as we get closer and closer to the y-intercepts, it's going to go in the positive infinity direction. And then down here, when you're below the x-axis, it's going to go down to the negative infinity. So here it's going to go like this, like that, and down here it's going to go like so. And oh, like so, like so. And that's it. Have a great day.